Hey everyone! I hope you're all doing well and feeling great. Today's video is going to be short and sweet, divided into two parts. So let's get straight into it. First things first, let's talk about the price of the new X Empire coin that's been steadily increasing lately. I mean, if you've been holding onto your coins, whether you've got 1 million, 2 million, or even 3 million, you're probably seeing some nice gains right now as the price keeps rising. I'll show you the current prices across 3 different wallets so you can see for yourself. But what if you're someone who hasn't stacked up on X Empire coins yet? Don't worry, I've got you covered with some tips on how to get them for free. So, today I'm going to focus on a way you can get X Empire coins for free. Yes, free. It might take a little time and effort, but trust me, with consistency, you'll start collecting 100, 200, even 1,000 coins per day. And it's going to be worth it as the price keeps rising. Before we dive into that, though, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So make sure to join. Now let's talk about how you can start earning free coins. One of the easiest ways to get started is through the X Empire airdrop bot. If you've been following my channel, you've probably seen me mention this before. But let me give you a quick refresher. I've been using this bot to collect free X Empire coins, and it works like a charm. You don't have to deposit anything. No need to spend a dime. Just follow a few simple steps, and you'll be collecting coins in no time. And no, this isn't a scam or anything shady. It's legit. So let me walk you through it. Once you join the bot, I'll leave a link for you in the description. You'll get this interface. Hit play, and you'll see the bot is now used by over 100,000 people. That's a huge community, and the bot keeps growing. All you need to do is press a button to start collecting. You'll be earning X Empire coins every hour. Yes, you can collect them hourly for free. Plus, there are other ways to boost your earnings by completing tasks, like inviting friends, following Telegram channels, and checking in daily. Each task gets you more coins. Now the real treasure here is the airdrop rewards. The airdrop that can give you up to 15,000 coins every week, depending on your rank in the bot. The more coins you hold, the higher your ranking, and the better your rewards. Right now, so every week, you get bonus coins dropped directly into your wallet. But here's the thing. If you want to level up your earnings, you can also upgrade your bot's profit per hour by completing certain tasks or collecting enough coins. For example, if you gather 64,000 coins, you can unlock higher hourly earnings. If you want to supercharge your earnings, there are also paid options available in the bot. You can deposit funds to increase your hourly rate, but for now, I'm focusing on the free method. Remember, this is all about building your balance over time and then cashing out when the price is right. So let's talk cashing out. When you're ready to withdraw, you can convert your X Empire coins into real dollars. And the best part? The exchange rate in the bot is actually better than what you'd find on external wallets. For example, one X Empire coin in the bot is worth 0.0002 USD, while on external platforms like KuCoin, it's only worth 0.0001 USD. I just made a withdrawal and it was super easy. All you need to do is select your withdrawal method, enter your wallet details, and confirm the transaction. And just like that, your funds are in your wallet. So there you have it. You can start earning X Empire coins today for free. No deposits required. Just use the bot, complete tasks, and let the coins pile up. And when the price goes up, you'll be ready to cash out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.